So I'm planting now the tomatillos, and this is a prime example of what root mound looks like. The roots of these three are competing. They have nowhere else to go in that container, and so they just start wrapping around and spinning around in the bottom of the container. This isn't too bad, but when we pull these apart, they're going to be having a hard time to get back. The transplant process will be pretty rough for them. But all the same, they're not too far, too bad, too far off, too far gone. That's the word I'm looking for. But you can also see relative, they have little root nubs. So we're going to plant them up to either their primary leaf, or we're going to snip these primary leaves off and plant up to the second. We may even plant them sideways, but they're not too leggy, and they're pretty sturdy. Since they're so small, I'm going to also pull all of these buds off because I don't want them to bud. I want them to root out more right now as I'm planting them in the garden. So as it hurts to do this, I want the plants to root out and get some more foliage on them before they start putting more seed pods or flowers out there.
As I finish planting out this row, you'll probably say, wow, that guy's got way too many plants per tray and per cell. And you're right. I just planted a whole bunch of seed because it was old, like 6-year-old tomatillo seed, and they all came up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and you're right. But I'm going to separate all of these and put them into new trays. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks for stopping by.